Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to repost someone else's Instagram story to your own. If you want to repost someone else's Instagram stories, let's see how can I do this. First of all, just open Instagram and here just select the story which you want to repost. So if you are tagged in the story, so you will get a simple title bar here, but here I haven't any option just like that. So here's a simple option. You just have to download this video and then repost it. So let's see how. Just tap on it and here tap on share icon, then tap on copy link, and after that just go back, open your Chrome, go for search, and here just search for a website which is save insta. Just search for this, open the first website from here and paste your copied link, then tap on download to download this story. You just have to wait for it, and here you can see the video has been downloaded. You just have to close your ad and here just tap on download video and skip the ad, so it will start downloading just like that. After that just open your Instagram app, go back here, tap on the plus story icon, and here you just have to open your video from here which you have just downloaded. Just tap on your story, and from here you can easily share any other or anyone's story as your own story on your Instagram. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.